10 years ago, a customer purchased restaurant equipment from INEO and was very satisfied with the product quality. Now, they are embarking on their second restaurant project and have no hesitation in choosing INEO kitchen equipment as their restaurant kitchen equipment solution provider again. The restaurant is conveniently located in Isfahani Center in Chennai, India. The new restaurant serves a fusion of Japanese and Thai cuisine and can accommodate up to 50 diners. The restaurant has a spacious kitchen of approximately 60 square meters, providing ample space for efficient meal preparation and cooking. The client wanted to create an open kitchen to provide a unique dining experience, while ensuring that the main kitchen was professionally and efficiently designed to meet operational needs. To achieve this goal, the INEO team deeply understood the client's needs and provided customized kitchen equipment solutions based on the restaurant's style and design sketches. At INEO, we prioritize our clients' needs and strive to provide the best kitchen equipment solutions. The repeated choice of our clients after 10 years is an honor for us. Moving forward, we will continue to uphold our commitment to professionalism and innovation, delivering efficient and high-quality kitchen equipment solutions to more restaurant clients. We look forward to receiving your feedback after the installation of the restaurant project.